Hey you guys, it's me. Um, Derek and I just saw one movie, and that's called Birds of Prey with with Margot Robbie, and oh my God, I I did not really care of it too much. It's a C minus in my books, but my friend Derek, he really liked it a lot. He highly recommends it for you guys. But for myself, I did not really care of it. Um, it's a C minus in my books. The only thing I do like about it is the bad guy, played by Ian McGregor. He was awesome in the movie. I really, really like him as a bad guy. And that's it, you guys. I just I just wanted to talk to you guys about that one movie we saw, Derek and I. Um so that's it, and I just wanted to say to all of you guys, happy President's Day next week, and happy Valentine's Day. And I will see you all you guys in a couple of days. Bye.